There you go guys, after we finish creating this basic A-line skirt pattern, now it is time to capture that beautiful image and share that on social media as well as your potential customer. To do that, there are 4 ways in this video to capture this amazing skirt pattern that we just finished. First, we want to capture without the avatar. Then second, we want to capture it like a drawing. Then third, we want to capture this skirt with a fashion pose. Then finally, we are going to capture this in a turntable way so we can present that to a customer as well as share on social media. To do so, first, I will go to File and then come to Snapshot. We want to select 3D window. Then I'm going to type in here, say no avatar, then dash, and I'm going to navigate to my folder here, which is Asset Clothes Advanced Course. Then I'm going to double click on it to open and I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to type in photos underscore and then course skirt. I'm going to click on the create here to create. Then I'm going to click on save. And after that, right here, I'm going to select the multi-view. I'm going to click on that window and then bring it over here a little bit. And I'm going to click on this camera capture to capture the image that I want. Next, I'm going to rotate the skirt over here to roughly 3/4, and then I'm going to once again click on that camera once again, and then I'm going to rotate the skirt back left here. So I'm going to create my own custom skirt images here so we can have a better quality of the image itself. Then I'm going to click on that camera once again to capture the 3/4 skirt. Next, I will rotate the skirt to the back side here. And once again, I'm going to click on that camera right there. Okay, so these are the images that we are going to capture. Then be sure to have the resolution to 300 dpi, okay? Then view counts 4 is perfect, transparent background awesome, and then save separated image box is checked. So if I have more than one color of the skirt, I can check the save all colorway. However, though I only have one color, I can leave that box unchecked. Now I'm going to click on save. Next, we want to select the schematic render and this window pops up. I'm going to change the texture to color and then I'm going to hide this internal line, okay? Click on it to hide. And I want to reduce the silhouette line to roughly 1 and then seam line. Let's see if I do it 1. That's pretty good. And after that, I'm going to come over here to File and then click on Snapshot. Then go to 3D window and once again I'm going to type in drawing and then dash, and by default I'm right here in the photo course skirt. That is perfect. I'm going to click on save and by default Chloe remember my setting, so I'm good to go. All I need to do here, click on save. Alright, now I'm going to click on this X here to close the schematic render window, and after that we are going to have the avatar onto the skirt. First, I'm going to press on number 2 here to see the front view, and I'm going to come over here to this avatar, click on it, and then click on this show or hide the avatar. So after that, we are going to do a couple of things here. I'm going to hide the floor. Simply go to this environment, click on that, and then click on the floor to hide. Then after that, I will go to avatar, double click on it, then come to the female underscore v2. And we want to double click on the pose folder here to open. Then my favorite pose here, number 7. Simply double click on it. And by default, leave everything as is and then click on OK. And let Chloe does its magic. Next, I'm going to strengthen the pattern one more time, guys. And then press on the spacebar here to simulate. Simply wait and then press on once again to stop the simulation. Now I'm going to unstrengthen and this time I'm going to bring the avatar up. Okay. Next, I'm going to capture this with the avatar. I'm going to come over here to this file once again and then click on snapshot and then select the 3D window. Then I'm going to type in right here avatar, then the same folder, which is perfect, and I'm going to click on save. So I'm going to simply click on that camera icon there and then to see the snapshot of the garment. And right now it is perfect right there. I'm going to rotate this garment to the right a little bit, and then click on this camera here to have a snapshot, and then rotate it to the left a little bit. Simply click on that camera once again, and then I'm going to do the back side of the skirt. Simply click on it, click and drag, and now I'm going to click on right here. So far, if you decided to have more images captured, you can add more down here. However, though, I only need 4 of these images. And by default, this transparent background box is checked, as well as save separate image. Next, I will come over here and click on save. Okay, after that, I'm going to press on number 2 here, guys. Now we are going to capture it as a turntable. Simply go to File, and then come over here to this video capture and click on the turntable. And I'm going to do a couple of things here. So I'm going to change this width to 1920, and then press on the tab key, and I'm going to change the height to 1080. Press on the tab key once again. After that, I will click on the duration and change that to 5 seconds. Press on the tab key. Next, I will click on this record button right here. And next, I'm going to click on save. Then I'm going to type in here A-line skirt turntable. Then save in the same folder, which is desktop, and then go to my folder, which is asset, and then click on this photo and core skirt. Click on that to save, and then click on save, and then click on saves again. Okay, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this course. I hope you guys found this course is helpful and inspire you to learn more about making pattern in Clothes 3D using this simple pattern drafting method. Thanks so much for watching, guys.